Be honest, are you a little bit scared of Photoshop? It's absolutely fine if you are, you would not be the first. A lot of creatives I meet have had Photoshop installed for years, but they barely open the program. And for those of them who do open the program, look at how many panels it has and tools and functions, they just quietly close it. And the ones who use it, most of them are doing the exact same 5 things that they figured out a long time ago. Here's what's true. You don't need to memorize Photoshop, you just need to understand it. Because once you know the why behind things, you stop memorizing the steps and start creating your own. This August, I'm coming to Dallas to teach exactly that and make you the master of concepts. A 2-day in-person Photoshop workshop where you and I laugh, learn, and grow together with Dallas PPA. We'll start from absolute scratch with no assumptions, and by the end of 2 days, we'll go all the way in to retouching, color grading, compositing, and everything you need to know to create a solid foundation and beyond, so Photoshop never feels intimidating to you. August 8 and 9 in Grapevine, Texas. Seats are limited. Register using the link, and I'd love to see you there. Until then, keep creating.